I'm going to walk you through the Voyage floor plan. This is one of the largest layouts in Desert Retreat, Indio, California. It's a 55 plus community here, brand new. The plan for the clubhouse is to be opened around 1 year from now. The Oasis Clubhouse is the name. And it's a Webb community, 10 floor plans to choose from. And I'm showing you the largest one here. You saw the golf cart garage out front. I'm gonna overlay the floor plan just so you can get a feel, since this one's a little bit larger, kind of how this layout works. But you got this little den area up front. Obviously a wide open modern kitchen and living room experience. And then we got a bedroom back there, and then some bedrooms behind me here, and then an access point over there. Let's just see where this takes us. We're gonna have a little powder room here. Laundry room. This is garage. Here at Desert Retreat, they lock up the garages, but that's that 2-car with golf cart. This is our primary bathroom, which has access to the laundry, which I really appreciate and would love to have at my home. A nice clean shower, dual sink. Gonna have a his and hers closets on both sides. And then the primary spits back out into the living room. Head on over to the kitchen. So just for context, this is a 55 plus gated community just getting started here in North Indio. The plan is to have around 1,400 homes built by the end of this. A lot of these 55 plus communities, the newer ones, are around that size. It's the perfect size for having a connected community and an active clubhouse lifestyle with a good social calendar. There's walking paths throughout all these homes that are going to lead you up to the clubhouse. Pickleball, tennis, bocce ball, all the typical fundamental clubhouse amenities. We'll take you to the backyard. I just want to stick to the floor plan really quick. I'll show you the bedroom back here. One more bedroom. And if you haven't seen my videos yet, my name is Mark Miller. I specialize in the 55 plus communities of Coachella Valley. And that's why I'm here at Desert Retreat, which is the newest one that I've been hyper-focused on, because it seems like a really big opportunity for a brand new home with a good lifestyle lined up for the future. It's a proven concept, this resort living and the 55 plus communities, low HOAs for a long list of amenities on site, and just a good community lifestyle where I often say it's easy to make friends. It's kind of how it's programmed. Okay, now I'll just lead you out to the backyard. All the homes here in Desert Retreat are going to be single family homes, none of that shared wall experience. You're all going to have nice little backyards, some larger than others if it's going to be, on a corner lot, but a lot of them a nice sized backyard, and some of them opened up like this to green belts or parks. If you're familiar with Webb Ranch Mirage, this community is basically a clone of that. Okay, probably should have prepared on the opening the slider here. There we go. We might as well talk about these double sliders. This is an upgrade option. Some of the houses you'll just have one, but this is a dual slider option, so the whole wall is going to open up and allow the foot traffic coming in and out, which is really cool. And one of the most popular upgrade options is adding these rolling walls. With the numbers for one rolling wall, I think it's around $15,000. Which if you're doing it for an older house, it's going to cost you much more than that. But because these new homes have it, part of the pre-programming and design, it's a much more affordable upgrade. And living here in the desert, it's an excellent way to allow the natural light into your house. And then when you have people over, like I said, just that foot traffic alone is a huge plus. But I live with one at home, and I just like having the natural light. I love having a wall of window, bringing my backyard inside to my living room. So as I mentioned, they're going to have these sidewalks built throughout the whole community. And again, as I mentioned, this is very similar to Del Webb Ranch Mirage. And the clubhouse, Oasis Clubhouse, is going to be right there. The plan is about 1 year from now, Oasis Clubhouse will be opened, and this beautiful lake, the waterfall going over there, and all these walking paths going to lead you from the housing throughout this community. As I mentioned, around 1,400 homes is the plan. And these 10 floor plans, pretty simple, just 10 floor plans going to be built throughout the entire community. But this is definitely a really nice lot because, as you can see, you got panoramic mountain views and a little bit of elevation here.